Hey there everyone, Teslapeg here. I hope everyone is doing well and taking all precautionary measures to fight against COVID-19. Wash your hands for at least 20 seconds before you eat. Keep to yourself as much as possible and avoid going to crowded places. I've quarantined myself for the past few days and only decided to get out for a couple of minutes today to shoot this video for my viewers. I'm headed towards IKEA now, where there are 4 level 2 J1772 chargers. I'll walk you through how you can use Chargepoint to unlock the charger and start charging your electric vehicle. As you can see, the chargers are locked right now, but as soon as I tap my phone with the Chargepoint card, it takes a second and unlocks the charger for me. Also, most Winnipeg chargers are free as there are very few EVs in the city. As you can see here, this IKEA charger is nothing special. It's just 6 kilowatt per hour. That gives you around 10% of your battery per hour. So if you go to IKEA for like an hour, you get around 40 kilometers of range per hour. Like and subscribe down below if this video helped you out, and hit the bell notification button to get notified of new content every week.